let's look at this question here. They told us that the ratio between the sum of the first three terms of a geometric series and the sum of the fourth, fifth, and the sixth terms of the same series is given by. So here's your ratio. What does this mean? This means that you took the first three terms of a geometric series, you took the first three terms, you add them, right? So when you add the first three terms, what you're gonna get? You're gonna get like S3. And then you divide by the sum of what? The sum of the terms 4 to 6. 4 to 6. And you're gonna get 8/27. That's what the statement means. Determine the constant ratio and the first two terms of the third, if the third term is given by 8, right? So, okay, what else do we know? Okay, so we know we want our R. We don't know what our R is. And then, and we want the first two terms, T1, we don't know. We want T2, we don't know. But what else do we know? The third term is 1/8. So now our T3, sorry, not 1/8, but it's 8. Okay, cool. I'm sure some of you are now shaking. You don't even know where to approach this. Not a problem, right? So just do what you know. You've been told that this is a geometric series, right? It's a geometric series. So meaning that your T1, right? Your T1 is basically A. Your T2 is basically AR. Your T3 is basically AR to the 2, right? And then now your fourth, fifth, and the sixth terms. So your T4 is basically AR to the 3. Your T5 is AR to the 4. T6 is AR to the 5th, right? So now what you need to do is find the sum of the first three terms and find the sum of these three terms, equate that to 8/27 and solve the constant, right? Cool. So what do we do now? What is our S3? So S3, when we take this formula, right, and substitute what we have here, so S3 is given by A plus AR plus AR squared over AR3 plus AR4 plus AR5. Okay, so this will give you 8/27. Right, you continue. What do you do next? You are going to take out the common factor on the numerator and the denominator. So what's the common factor on the numerator? So it's going to be A into 1 plus R squared, right? Over, we take a common factor of AR cube. You have 1 plus R squared, right? That should give you 8/27. So look at what happens here. So this term will cancel with this term, and now, and also the A here will cancel with the A here. So now you just have 1/R cube equals 8/27. And then you reciprocate this. So this means that your R cube over 1 will be equal to 27/8. And then now you're going to take the cube root of this to find what? To find your R. So therefore your R is the cube root of that. What do you get? The cube root of this will be 3/2, right? Now you have your R. We have not really arrived at our destination, because the question actually wants us to get what? The constant ratio, which is R, and the first two terms, if the third term is 8. So now we need to get what? The value of A and T2, right? So cool. We've been told that your T3 your T3 is 8. And we do know that T3 is given by AR squared. So therefore, 8 equals A. And what's our R? Our R is 3 over 2 squared. So when you do your algebraic expression, you will find that your A is 32 over 9. Okay, it's 32 over 9, right? And then now you are able to get what? Your T2, because your T2 is basically AR, which is what? Which is, what's our A? 32 over 9 over R. R is 33 over 2. So that will give you T2 as 16 over 3.